It comes naturally.
Sir, reaction lang po yung pag-resign ng anak mo as Deputy Secretary. Bakit mo nagbitin si Vice President Sara?
I really do not know the reason why. I do not talk to my daughter, and I would not want to talk about it. Si Sarah kasi has her own mind, and we do not talk itong ganito sa trabaho niya. She's parang may distansya kami ni Sarah.
Wala ba kayong pinag-usapan dito?
Wala.
Okay, next na po. Okay.
Former President, nanong mahadlok man sila, umudagan mo